Hey guys, here we are again. 1991 KX125 Survivor bike, all original everything on this bike. Some of them, you know, like I said in our other videos, we touch up some, we powder coat some, we shred some down to the frame and back and forth. This is all Survivor. We are going to give you a quick walk around. Bike is very dirty. We haven't cleaned any of these. We're just pulling them out so we can organize. 1991. So if you watch my 1990 KX250 video, you'll see some of the things that I said were different. You can see this one has the blue forks. The 1990 KX would have silver forks. The graphics are a little bit different, and they don't have the size of the machine in the graphics over here. So on a 1990, it would say what size the machine is, 125, 250, so on. And on the 91, it does not say what size it is. So that's two different stickers, even though they look the same. The seat, the pink, it obviously goes longer on it. It's just a little scribble in the back on the seat on a 1990. And the 91 has a little more pink on the seat. That is pretty much it. The rest of the body, all the body parts, the panels, the so on, 125, 250, they will all bolt onto each other. That is pretty much the only difference between them. This is a Survivor bike. This is all the original plastic. So we, like I said, we ripped some of these down. Others we don't. It depends on how nice they are. You know, to what kind of history they have for themselves. You know, we didn't touch up the frame on this one. We didn't do anything. This is all the way this bike has low hours on to begin with. I mean, it's just in very, very nice condition. Beautiful shape for a all original bike with no touch-ups on it. That's what we look for. We try to look for the nicer bikes. We try to find nicer things, candidates to work with. However, you can't always get decent bikes. So when you guys are looking for some of these bikes and so on, what you want to look for is the condition of like the wheels, because the wheels are expensive to rip down and pull apart. Obviously, if it runs or it doesn't run, this one runs beautiful. If it runs or it doesn't run or whatever the case is, I mean, look how nice that exhaust pipe is. Like I said, these are dirty. Watch this. See how much dust is sitting on this bike. This side panel is scraped up, and I actually have a brand new side panel from overseas, a Kawasaki side panel for this that I didn't put on. I don't want to put it on yet. That's the only scratches really that are on the bike, other than that little bit on the frame. And beautiful blue in the forks. The anodized is beautiful. Yeah, it looks even better now. So when you're looking for stuff like that, and you can see how dirty this bike is, it wasn't even cleaned last time it was ridden. You can see the dirt under the fenders and so on. So that's what you want to, some of the things you want to look for is like the anodized on the forks. The blues are all over the place with these older bikes. Some are sun faded, some were left outside, some are back and forth. This one obviously great condition. So you know, you want to look for that. When you know, obviously if the motor runs, you're better off buying a candidate with a running motor. Even if it's $500 cheaper, you could be into $500 just into the cylinder replacing these. It's very hard to get power valves for these KXs these years and so on, and the cylinders. You just don't want to be into that. You'd rather buy a runner, spend a couple of more dollars, buy a runner, make sure it's a runner, the wheels and so on. Don't worry about plastic and stuff like that, handlebars and you know, grips, and don't worry about all that stuff. That's what stuff people want to try to butter the bike up with newer parts, like, oh, I put new grips, you don't want that stuff, man. You know, you can buy plastics cheap, $200, $250, some $50 graphics, a $35 seat cover, you know, some spray can. You can touch them up nice, but you can't touch up the rims. You can't get cheap into a motor, and you can't, unless you strip the forks down and put some money into them, you can't get the blue anodized back on a fork. So just a few things to look for on these KXs this year. So this body style is the 1990 and 91. Nice Survivor. Guys, we're going to be doing a few more videos. Stay tuned, please. Like and subscribe.